Now, there's a desperate appeal this evening from the Ministry of Health for Jamaicans who have not been vaccinated or need their second dose to visit vaccine centers. This, as doses still in storage, will go to waste if not used by tomorrow. Shamela Pullen has this primetime news follow-up.
The clock is ticking for the usage of thousands of doses of AstraZeneca vaccine, which will expire tomorrow at midnight. This plea from the Ministry of Health.
Persons who have a date in their card that says the 29th or before of September to make their way to a vaccination site to be inoculated. We have vaccines. We want you to come. You are eligible to receive the vaccine, and as such, we're asking you to come out and get vaccinated.
The appeal comes as the country pushes for herd immunity. As at September 28, over 500,000 persons have received their first dose, over 200,000 their second, and 26,691 people have taken the single dose. Still, it will be some time before herd immunity is realized.
It is 65% at this time, but as we continue to follow the science, we may have to up that number. We are nowhere near herd immunity. We have just come out of single digits with persons who are fully vaccinated in country. So if we are at 10%, then we are what? How many away from 65?
With uncertainty about when the country will receive the next shipment of the Pfizer vaccine, some public health experts have suggested mixing and matching doses. Dr. Ennis weighed in.
Saying anything is possible, but we're not there as yet. So all of that is under consideration. It is not what is recommended at this time. We continue to follow the evidence, and as soon as we get the go from the WHO, we will certainly look at how that can be handled in Jamaica.
There have been concerns also about persons being turned away from vaccine sites. TVJ News has learned that people showing up a day early for their second dose of the AstraZeneca vaccine have been turned away. Dr. Ennis responded to that issue.
So the vaccines work better. It is for the benefit of the client to abide by the rules, which says 8 to 12 weeks. It is to your advantage of taking the vaccine at that time. We don't want to cause confusion to say, oh, take it before. No, you have a date, you come on that date or after.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.